Hello, Phonics fans, and welcome to the next episode of Phonics with Fiona. That's me! Today, we will be reviewing the vowels and the consonants that we've already learned. Then, we will learn some new consonants, the letters J, Z, and W. The vowels that we have learned so far are A, E, I, O, U, and the last one remaining is the letter Y. Don't forget that consonants are the rest of the letters of the alphabet. These are the consonants that we've already learned. Say them with me. S, T, P, N, C, K, H, R, M, D, G, L, F, B, Q. And these letters can go at the beginning, middle, or end of words. For lesson number 13, we're going to be learning new letters, the consonants J, Z, and W. Let's start with the letter J. This is an uppercase J, and this is a lowercase j. The letter J says J. Here are some things that begin with the letter J. Jump, jellyfish, jam. One letter down, two more to go. Let's talk about the letter Z. This is a letter that has different names depending on where you live. For example, in the United Kingdom or in Canada, we call it Z. In the United States, Americans call it Z. This is an uppercase Z, and this is a lowercase z. Z says Z. Here are some things that begin with the letter Z. Zipper, zigzag, zebra. We have now learned two new consonants, the letter J and Z. Now let's talk about the letter W. This is an uppercase W, and this is a lowercase w. W says W. Here are some words that start with the letter W. Wolf, whale, wave. And that's a wrap. We have learned three new letters, J, Z, and W. As always, it's important to review what you've already learned. The first consonant that we learned was the letter J. J says J. You can find the J sound in jump, jellyfish, jam. The letter Z or Z says Z. The Z sound are in words like zipper, zigzag, and zebra. The last consonant that we learned was the letter W, which says W. You can find W in words like wolf, whale, wave. That's all the time we have for today. Join me next time, friends. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for your support. I will see you in the game zone.